The Green Game. The Green Game is an engaging board game which gets to grips with sustainability, caring for the environment and global warming. The Green Game is aimed at children and young people aged between 7 and 14. It is suitable for 2 to 4 players. After throwing the dice, players move their counters up the board and race to be the first to the top. By landing on different reward or penalty square, the player will learn about positive actions and negative actions about caring for the environment. If they land on a reward square, their score increases. If they land on a penalty square, then the score decreases. The Green Game is suitable for both home and school settings. One of the purposes of the new curriculum for Wales is to create ethical, informed citizens of Wales and the world. The Green Game will be a valuable tool for responding to 2 different areas of learning and experience of the new curriculum, namely humanities, literacy and communication. The purpose of the Green Game is to create a personal and social awareness of sustainability and environment issues, of how individual learners and groups of learners can impact in a local and wider context. The game is also available in Welsh under the title Y Gêm Werdd. Please visit atebol.com.